I don't think there is any merit in attacking Germany. First, let me say that, by the way, I have discussed this, I've answered the same question in the European Parliament, when was that, 2-3 weeks ago. The currency of Germany is the euro, and the euro area's monetary policy is conducted by the ECB. The ECB is independent, as laid down in the European treaties and its statute. The exchange rate of the euro is determined by market forces, which is consistent with the long-standing commitment of the international community to market-determined exchange rates, as reiterated both at G7 and the G20 fora. In its latest report to Congress, released on October 14, 2016, the US Treasury itself stressed that Germany does not manipulate the currency. Treasury, let me give you the quotes, Treasury has found in his report that no economy satisfied the criteria, including Germany, for being called a currency manipulator. Second quote, Germany has both a significant bilateral trade surplus with the United States and a current account surplus well above the material threshold. But the European Central Bank has not intervened in foreign currency since 2011. And when we did it as part of a concerted intervention in order to stabilize the yen following Japan's earthquake and the tsunami. So that is I think the answer to your point. I can continue. I mean, if we look at, by the way, if we look at where the effective exchange rate stands today with respect to historical average, we don't see especially that the euro is off the historical average, but the effective exchange rate of the dollar is off the historical average. And so it means that it's now the euro the culprit for this situation. Now, on your first question, you're asking me how the consensus changes from time to time and meeting to meeting. I actually don't have a meter to measure that. I would say that the discussion today was pretty consensual. Each position was stated. By and large, I think I gave you a fair account of what was discussed. Nuances might have been different, but I don't think that. And in any event, I am not able to compare the degree of consensus today with the degree of consensus last time. But you asked me even more difficult question. You're asking me to remember what the consensus was 2 or 3 years ago. That is, the bar is too high for me.